I would say that capabilities is the prerequisite for having even the possibility to develop expertise in a field. For capability is like the prerequisite. It's like the minimum requirement necessary to even have the opportunity to develop the expertise. Yeah, so for example, let's say someone is tone deaf. Now, no matter how much practice they do, how much guitar they play, how much classes they go to, they are not going to be able to differentiate notes. They're not going to be a singer. They can't play, most times they can't play instruments. So that's a capability, right? And the old adage of practice makes a man perfect wouldn't apply to them because that thing is just missing.